Okay, so if you are a TikTok affiliate and you're looking for different types of content that you can create to promote products on TikTok Shop, then this is going to be the video for you. So I'm about to reveal to you guys 3 different types of content that you guys can create as a TikTok affiliate, and only one of them you have to show your face. The other 2 are completely faceless. So I know as a beginner affiliate on the TikTok Shop, you guys are probably lost as to what type of content you should be creating to get the most sales, and that is literally why I created this video for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel I create absolutely free content that is going to help you grow your social media accounts as well as your bank accounts. If you are someone that's looking to grow on social media, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button so that you're able to get as much free information as possible. If you're watching this video, I can only assume that you are already an affiliate with the TikTok Shop. So if you're not a part of the TikTok affiliate account, then there are actually 2 ways that you guys can sign up. One of them is you need 5,000 followers, and the other one is you can use a business account. So the first style of content is going to be a unboxing installation type of video. For this video, you do not have to show your face. We're going to be using this creator here. She has 6,000 followers, and she was able to generate this company with this product $148,000, and this is a camera unboxing video. Let's get into it. So there you guys have it. She has never shown her face in this video, and she was able to generate that much money in sales just doing a faceless unboxing video. So the second type of content you can create as a TikTok affiliate is going to be video review, where you are actually going to talk to the camera and speak about your experience with the product. Okay, so for this example, we are going to be using this guy's video right here. This is how much he generated the company, $495,000 from this video. So let's click on this video and see what the heck these people are doing. Okay, so in his video, he's just explaining how he went to the reviews and he were able to see other people's results from buying this product. And then he goes ahead and he actually shows his results from using this product. And then he goes in and shows his before. So that is a before and after. So by watching his video, people are going to think that this product works. So always remember, when you are creating unboxing and review type of content, showing your face is going to give the people that are on the other side of the camera, like yourself, a sense of a personal connection. Watching videos that show yourself is going to allow your viewers to see your expressions and your personality. So of course, these type of videos are going to come off as more authentic because people can actually see your reaction and how you actually feel about the product. Third and the last type of content that you can create as a TikTok affiliate might actually be the easiest type of content because you don't even have to have the product to make this type of video. So what you're gonna do is locate a trending product on TikTok Shop. I have a complete video of how you can do that up here. You guys can click and watch that. This way you're going to find all the trending products. Thus, that will lead you to more sales. So once you have located this product, what you want to do is head over to Amazon. You're going to find the same exact product. You can actually do this by screenshotting the product if you're not searching by name. And Amazon does have a feature where you can search for a product according to a picture that you're going to upload. 90% of the time, the same products that are on TikTok are on Amazon, but Amazon has them for more expensive. And not to add, TikTok offers coupons as well as free shipping. I really want you guys to realize that the first video you post, you're not going to get sales. The second video might not get sales. Third video might not get sales. Do not give up, you guys. And I'm not saying this as a person who has millions of followers, because I have a daughter who's doing the same thing and she only has 5,000 followers. So keep posting content, you guys. The more consistent you are with your content, the more chances you have of getting a viral video. So keep posting, you guys. Do not get discouraged. Without a doubt, this entire process is definitely worth it because you're gonna make a lot of money. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and you would never miss one of these videos. That's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye, guys. Bye.